Good day, guys. Welcome to another physics class. And in this class, we'll be talking about an important topic, which is work, energy, and power. So, work, energy, and power. Alright, we'll be taking it step by step. Now, the first one is work. When we are talking about work is defined whenever a force moves a body or a particle along a distance. So, whenever a particle, you have something like this, is moved by force F along a distance, we denote the distance by S. We say that work has been done. So, since force and distance are very important in the definition of work, so we can say that W is equivalent to force times distance, right? So, which means that work is equal to the product of force and distance. Alright, so keep that in mind and we continue. So we say work is equal to force times distance. Now, the next part, okay, so we can write this as, okay, force times distance. What if the work is inclined? We have something like this, and the force, instead of the force to be straight in this direction, the force is now at an angle to the body, this angle theta. What will happen? Now, this force is still pushing the body, but it is not at a horizontal plane, because the ID plane that's supposed to be pushing this body is supposed to be in the horizontal particle, in the horizontal direction. But at this point now, the force is at an angle. So what do? We try to resolve this effect that is inclined to the horizontal. And when we resolve it, what we will do, we take out this part, and when we take out this part, we have something like this, right? Okay, this is the angle theta, and this is the force. So what we need to do is to bring the effect of this force to this side, because this is the ID part that we can work with. So what happens is that we know from our soccer tour that this place is the opposite, this place is the adjacent, and this place is the hypotenuse, right? So we are trying to relate hypotenuse and adjacent together, and that is cos, right? So which means that cos theta is equal to F over let us call it A over A, where A is equal to F cos theta, right? So A is the same thing as the horizontal force. So which means that when we resolve a force to the horizontal, the effect is equal to the force times cos theta of the angle. So which means that when a body is inclined, the work done is equal to F cos theta, right? Okay, so that will be, in this case now, when inclined, W will be equal to F cos theta times S, right? So that means that W is equal to, when we rearrange, Fs cos theta. Okay, let me rewrite it again so that in this case W equal to Fs cos theta when an angle is involved. Alright, so what is the next part? The next part is energy. This part is energy. Now, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. It's the capacity of work that you can do. How much work you can do. So you discover that a small child of 3 years old cannot do the same work as a person who is 20 years. Why? Because the energy that the child has is lesser than the person who is 20 years old. So energy is the capability to do work. It's how much work you can do, right? So the measure of work that you can do is given by the energy you have. So when you have smaller energy, you can do small work. When you have greater energy, you can do greater work. So in this case now, we say energy, write it down, is the ability to do work. Now, put down this formula. Energy is equal to work. And why is energy equal to work? Because the amount of energy you possess will be equal to the amount of work you can do, right? Now, there are two types of energy we'll be considering. And there are types of energy, but I'll just be talking about two types because the other parts will talk about the various topics. So the first type of energy I will list many, then I will explain two. The first one I will talk about is mechanical energy. I will just list them. The next one is electrical. In the next class, we'll talk about them. After electrical, we have solar energy. After solar, we have chemical energy. After chemical energy, we have heat energy. We have heat energy, right? Okay, I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we'll stop here for now. There are also other type of energy like wind, heater, and so on. So in the next class, we'll talk more, we'll explain those type of energy, and we explain more of mechanical energy because that is the scheme that we are following. So when time to come, we'll be explaining electrical, solar, chemical, and heat. But in this class, in this presentation, we'll be doing more of mechanical energy. And we know that mechanical energy is divided into kinetic and potential energy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you. Have a nice day.